The open sand flats of Indonesia are a treacherous place for an octopus. Their soft bodies make them vulnerable. To survive here, this mimic octopus has developed an unusual talent. With color-changing cells all over her body, she's a master of disguise. One moment imitating a flatfish, the next morphing into the sea floor. She can even impersonate a sea snake. But this veined octopus can't mimic her neighbors. Instead, she survives on her wits alone. A hungry flounder. It couldn't swallow her whole, but any one of those arms would make a bite-sized snack. And even the smallest injury can be life-threatening. With 9 brains, octopuses are the most intelligent invertebrates in the world. If anyone can think of a way out of this, she can. She scans the sea floor for anything that might help. Not quite the safety blanket she's after. A coconut shell could do the trick. Her very own suit of armor. The problem is, it's only doing half the job. An empty scallop shell. If she can get to it in time. With more than 1,000 suckers, she closes the door. While the flounder is left, well, floundering.